Today let's check out this very rare 1965 Kawasaki A1 R factory racer. Well, welcome to Bader International and Bader Classic Auctions. This is a very interesting bike. This is, as you can see, looks to be a very original paint Kawasaki factory racer. This is the A1 R. And apparently this bike was sent down to New Zealand and was tested and raced by the importer down there before the, before they ran it at Daytona the following year. The bike's been in as race condition for some time, obviously. Engine number is A1E 50164. And frame number is A1 501, looks like 50. It's very rare that you find one in this condition. Obviously, like I mentioned, it's in off-the-track condition with the old original paint and so on. It's been down in New Zealand for a number of years. It was bought by a good friend of mine, brought it here to the U.S. But definitely a very, very cool piece. Tell by the tires it hasn't been on the track in a while. The little stingers on the expansion chamber are really cool. And see that Mikuni hanging off the side of the engine on the left-hand side here. I don't know if you can see it. It also has the oil pump down there. Pretty cool. And all in all, just a very, very neat bike. Look at the little fins on the back brake drum casting. We're going to be offering this motorcycle up through our online auction at baderclassicauctions.com mid-October of this year. So make sure you go up on the website, check it out. You can register. It's free. It's easy. We've got tons of parts going over the auction block this time, as well as some really, really neat race bikes. So again, check it out at baderclassicauctions.com, and also we'll have it listed on our Bader International website as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. And if you're looking for a really neat vintage Japanese racer, this is definitely one to have. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all the rest of the videos we have up on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And thanks again for watching.